Hey guys, this is going to be a tutorial on how you can assemble your own Zap Net. If you buy the Zap Net kit from our website, cypher.fsociety.github.io, that's the only official website as of now. So these are the things that you'll be getting. You'll get a 1.3-inch OLED display, you'll get a VMOS D1 Mini, you'll get 3 tactile buttons, and the most importantly, the Zap Net PCB. So let's see how you can assemble it on your own. So first things first, we'll assemble the OLED display first. So we'll just slide it in here. That's in place. So what we can just do is we can flip it over, make sure we don't scratch the display. We'll be needing a soldering iron to do the soldering part. We just heat it a bit. And the LED is in place. Sorry, the OLED display is in place. See, it looks so perfect. The next part is going to be VMOS D1 Mini. So first we're going to solder the header pins. So we'll have to make sure that the header pins are in place. And we place them here. One thing to note is that the charging port, or this part, it has to be facing outside. So if you have a look at this, it should be looking like this. So we'll initially set up this one. Okay, so make sure that the pins are lined up on both the sides. And first, just do the first and the last pin. So once the first and the last pin are done, you can do the rest. So we do the first and last pin first, just to make sure that everything is lined up. And we repeat the same process here. Okay, so everything is in place. Now we can solder the rest of the pins. Wait, that's perfect. Now it's okay, all the pins have been soldered. Now let's add the buttons. So we'll be needing 3 tactile buttons which are already provided here. So I'll just fit in the buttons first. Make sure they're sticking out from the end. And we'll solder them as well. Alright, so the soldering part is done. Now let's move on to the firmware installation. For firmware installation part, go to File, Preferences, and then go to the additional board manager URLs, and at this particular URL that's given in the description below, press OK twice. Then go to the boards manager and search for dauthor ESP8266 boards. Make sure this particular board is installed. You can confirm this by going to the tools and search for the board. Here you'll get dauthor ESP8266 board. Select and destick dauthor. Make sure that the upload speed is 921600. Okay, this part is really important. So now connect your device to the laptop or PC, whatever you're using. And the device is going to show up on the top left corner. So just make sure it's showing up. Now go to board info and check if the board info is showing up. Check all the settings and make sure all the settings are correct. Then click on upload and wait for it to upload. Alright, so once the firmware has been uploaded, connect it to a power supply and it starts.